The financial divisions of American colonies became more distinct during the early and mid-18th century. While the foundations of these divisions were laid during settlement of the colonies, the triangular trade route further entrenched the financial basis for the different parts of America. Britain relied on the southern colonies to provide tobacco, rice, and other crops, which increasingly relied upon slave labor to produce. Slave traders from Britain and Africa relied on the South needing these slaves, and because of the British trade laws, the South relied on Britain needing the crops. The northern colonies provided furs and manufactured goods as well as rum to Britain, and Britain depended upon these goods for trade with other countries, as well as consumption within the nation. Some of these goods were used to trade with Africans for slaves sent to the southern colonies. The distribution of wealth differed in the regions of the colonies as well. The northern colonies, whose economy was based on goods and rum, held more merchants and artisans, so the wealth was distributed among a wider population, though certain colonies, such as New York, saw a focus of wealth on the elite. The southern colonies' economy was based on plantations, so the wealth was concentrated among the large plantation owners. This economic division between the northern and southern colonies established differing interests in colonial politics and would magnify over time. You could define the differences as based on money, but that would be a simplistic explanation of a complex problem. Yes, it is rooted in money, but it is manifested in people's way of life, in how they live each day, what they do with their time, their home, their family, their food. As we continue our studies this semester, take note of how these distinctions between the northern and southern colonies affect different aspects of American history.